Hello guys, welcome back. Let's start the GK of the month of March 2024, which will help in all the upcoming exams. Please watch full video to gain a lot of knowledge. Thank you. Question 1. Which northeastern state recently adopted a resolution against the center's decision to fence the India-Myanmar border and scrap the FMR agreement with Myanmar? Options: Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Assam. Answer: Mizoram. Question 2. Recently, the Jal Shakti Ministry signed an agreement with 12 technical education institutions for basin management of how many rivers? Options: 5, 6, 7, 4. Answer: 6. Question 3. Brian Mulroney, who recently passed away, was the former Prime Minister of which country? Options: Israel, Canada, Chile, France. Answer: Canada. Question 4. Which one of the following companies recently collaborated with MAHAGENCO to develop renewable energy parks in Maharashtra? Options: Tata Group, Reliance Industries Limited, NTPC Green Energy Limited, ITC Limited. Answer: NTPC Green Energy Limited. Question 5. What is VSHORADS recently seen in the news? Options: Man-Portable Air Defense System, MANPAD, military exercise between India and Europe, peacekeeping operations in Europe, mobile short-range air defense system. Answer: Man-Portable Air Defense System, MANPAD. Question 6. Which state government launched the Project ODISERV to prepare young graduates for employment opportunities in the financial sector? Options: Orissa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala. Answer: Orissa. Question 7. Unex Akiyama, recently seen in the news, belongs to which one of the following species? Options: Spider, Anaconda, fish, kangaroo lizard. Answer: Anaconda. Question 8. Claude 3, recently seen in the news, is associated with which one of the following? Options: Large language model, medicinal plant, ancient irrigation technique, asteroid. Answer: Large language model. Question 9. Recently, who has been selected for the Bob Jones Award 2024, the U.S. Golf Association's USGA highest honor? Options: Jack Nicklaus, Sari Puck, Julie Inkster, Tiger Woods. Answer: Tiger Woods. Question 10. India has successfully brought down the extreme rate of poverty below what % of its population, according to the World Poverty Clock? Options: 3%, 4%, 5%, 6%. Answer: 3%. Question 11. What is MH-60R Seahawk, recently seen in the news? Options: Nuclear-powered submarine, maritime variant of the Black Hawk helicopter, amphibious assault ship, stealth attack craft. Answer: Maritime variant of the Black Hawk helicopter. Question 12. Indirama housing scheme, recently seen in the news, is associated with which state? Options: Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana. Answer: Telangana. Question 13. Recently, which ministry launched the digital intelligence platform DEEP and Chakshu facility on the Sanchar Sathi portal? Options: Ministry of Power, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Communication, Ministry of Earth Sciences. Answer: Ministry of Communication. Question 14. Where was India's first underwater metro service inaugurated? Options: Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bengaluru. Answer: Kolkata. Question 15. What is the theme of International Women's Day IWD 2024? Options: Invest in women, accelerate progress, gender equality today for a sustainable tomorrow, digital innovation and technology for gender equality, think equal, build smart, innovate for change. Answer: Invest in women, accelerate progress. Question 16. CSIR Indian Institute of Petroleum has signed an MoU with which state to deploy the technology of making fuel from pine needles? Options: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu. Answer: Uttarakhand. Question 17. What is hyper recently mentioned in the news? Options: climate monitoring satellite, semiconductor fabrication technology, AI-powered video generation tool, new island discovered off the coast of Indonesia. Answer: AI-powered video generation tool. Question 18. Recently, which state became the first state in India to declare man-animal conflict a state-specific disaster? Options: Gujarat, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Answer: Kerala. Question 19. Poshan Pakhwada, recently seen in the news, is organized by which ministry? Options: Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Agriculture or Farmers Welfare. Answer: Ministry of Women and Child Development. Question 20. Recently, the Indian Army has announced the formation of two Army Girls Sports Companies, AGSC, at which places? Options: Kanpur or Bhopal, Maho or Pune, Prayagraj or Maho, Jabalpur or Nagpur. Answer: Maho or Pune. Question 21. Recently, DST and T-Hub jointly inaugurated the Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence Technology Hub MATH at which place? Options: Hyderabad, Lucknow, New Delhi, Chennai. Answer: Hyderabad. Question 22. Yaoundé Declaration, recently mentioned in the news, is associated with which one of the following issues? Options: poverty, climate change, malaria eradication, nuclear disarmament. Answer: malaria eradication. Question 23. Recently, where was the MSME Technology Center inaugurated by Union Minister Narayan Rane? Options: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa. Answer: Maharashtra. Question 24. Recently, who has been elected as the new president of the Paralympic Committee of India (PCI)? Options: Lalit Thakur, Sunil Pradhan, R. Chandrasekhar, Devendra Jhajharia. Answer: Devendra Jhajharia. Question 25. Mission Divyastra, recently seen in the news, is related to which one of the following missile systems? Options: Trishul, Agni 5, Prithvi, Akash. Answer: Agni 5. Question 26. What are carmazine, tartrazine, and rhodamine, sometimes seen in the news? Options: infectious diseases, industrial pollutants, food coloring agents, medicinal plants. Answer: food coloring agents. Question 27. According to a recently released CEEWS report, which of the following states have been placed on the top in water management? Options: Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Jharkhand, Haryana, Karnataka, and Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. Answer: Haryana, Karnataka, and Punjab. Question 28. Recently, India signed an agreement with which country in the field of food security? Options: Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Answer: Bhutan. Question 29. Bodhshala Temple, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? Options: Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Orissa. Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Question 30. PMSURAJ portal, recently seen in the news, is implemented by which ministry? Options: Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Answer: Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe.